Creating the ad group and ad. You already set up your first campaign, so you'll be immediately directed to create your ad group and ad for that campaign. First, you'll be able to name your ad group. You can just leave it like it is if you want. Then, it is time to add your video. You can search for a video or paste the URL from YouTube. We advise you go to your YouTube channel, look for the video you uploaded, open it, copy the URL, and paste it. This will help you make sure you add the right video URL. You'll then be able to decide which video ad format you would like to use, instream ad or video discovery ad. For instream, your instream video ad plays before another video on either YouTube or the Google Display Network, depending on network settings. Viewers can choose to skip your ad after a few seconds. You pay when a viewer watches 30 seconds of your video or the duration if it's shorter than 30 seconds, or engages with your video, whichever comes first. The display URL is the website address that appears in your ad. In video ads, the URL might show up in the TrueView InStream ad that people can click. It's typically the URL of the website or web page you're advertising. YouTube shows people a display URL to give the viewers a clear idea of which website they'll reach when they click your ad. The display URL in your ad must match the domain that people will land on when they click your ad. The final URL or landing page is where people go after clicking your ad. Here, you'll enter the exact URL of your landing page, which is supposed to be inside of the domain you specified in the display URL. For Ad URL Advanced Options, you're able to set up some tracking and custom parameters, which I advise you to leave it like it is for now. A companion banner is an image or group of images that appears next to your ad. YouTube recommends that you use auto-generated images from videos in your channel, but you can also upload your own image. For video discovery, your video discovery ad includes an image and some text. It can run on YouTube search results next to related videos, on the YouTube homepage, or on partner sites and apps. This ad will look differently depending on the website or where on YouTube it appears. You pay only when someone clicks your ad to watch your video. You can decide on a thumbnail to show, a headline, description 1, description 2, and landing page. The landing page is the YouTube page that viewers end up on after clicking your ad, which is different than InStream. So, this means if you would like to send traffic to your website, use the InStream option. And if you would like to send traffic to your YouTube channel, use the video discovery option. Then, set up your ad. First, add a title. You can assign the maximum CPV. Maximum CPV is the highest price you are willing to pay for someone to view your video when it is run as an ad. Finally comes the targeting, which is another chance for you to apply what you learned in knowing your business. By default, your ads will show to all viewers. Optionally, you can refine your audience. For demographics, you can decide any gender, any age, or any parental status. For interest, you can choose any interest. There are 4 other options to narrow your targeting: keywords, placements, remarketing, and topics. Once you are done with everything, you should click on Save Ad Group. Once done, you'll be redirected to your campaign's dashboard and straight to the campaign you have just set up.